diplomatic relations between our country and other countries, and more so even our East African countries. Nitie gik miluongo ni internal affairs mag another country. Many a times, inwango ni oyienwa donjo into internal affairs of another country. Nitie seche mabende jowa are involved in activities mar not every country ni kod its standards and procedures. So gimanyaka wakuong wapenjre ni to jowa gino dhi timango Uganda. Dibed ni ne gidhie internal affairs ma Uganda ma has nothing to do with our diplomatic relations. But all the same gin jowa. So one gi right mar follow up their cases. But nyaka wabed gi milongo ni soft diplomacy. Okwanyal die media, okwanyal goyo koko. As we speak today, ibo nango ni our Minister for Foreign Affairs, our PS for Foreign Affairs, and our ambassador are communicating with Uganda government diplomatically, not through activism. Because Nitie issues mwanyalo discuss underground, mokwa disperse, and we negotiate and have our people back. So that katako pono nwangi koda something marong the other side. You remember our person Manebedo hanged in Saudi Arabia. No se kalne kata twitch mar tho Saudi Arabia. But you see, we went through diplomatic negotiations until we managed to have him back. And Nitie jomokoma, you can even have them back and even charge them. So katana jok mino mo the Uganda, sometimes you can be surprised. You know, when to the Uganda to kala border to katabana documentation motimo onge, which is illegal there. We are not saying that is what they have done. Omiogmanyalo use opondoni or hold his horses. This is diplomacy. Diplomacy octim activism. And the foreign affairs may not come out and start attacking Uganda on this matter because they are matters diplomacy. Omeanya wachoni, the matters are being handled diplomatically as the name provides and not through activism. Apparently, Master, I should say something before he finishes. Yeah.
Aya, Master,